Hello, Maurice here again, A1 Roofing Services out of Maryland, serving the Maryland, DC, and Northern Virginia areas. Today what I want to talk to you today about is installing pitch pans and pitch pockets. We just recently installed a 60 mil single ply membrane by Duralast over top of an existing roof, mechanically fastened. And we're coming down the home stretch on it. So just want to show you how that turned out before we talk to you about the pitch pans. So yeah, this is the pretty much the roof here, and we did have some wet areas of the roof around these two AC units that you see here. So we cut out the wet insulation and we put new dry insulation in, screwed it down to a metal roof deck. And over here we had done some repairs over the years with using a coating. So Duralast requires us to put like a slip sheet up underneath of that as a separator before we put our membrane down. So we did all that, and as you can see here, we put 1/1 breathers in. We put these in every 1,000 square feet, so that any moisture that may get up underneath of the roof, it can escape out, while at the same time not letting any moisture or rainwater come in. See another one over there, one right here, one right there, and we got them throughout every 1,000 square feet. But yeah, so talk to you a little bit about these pitch pans, pitch pockets that we're installing. Over here, I'll show you one of our guys actually installing one. So what he's actually doing is welding that in right now. And we use pea gravel, but some companies use spray foam, anything kind of not solid, but something that would help fill the void in, and then we top it off with a special sealer that we have. We call it pourable sealer, but Duralast has their pourable sealer in caulk tubes, as you can see here. So yeah, after we fill that in, or top it off a little bit with the gravel, we fill it in with a pourable sealer, and then this is the finished product of it. This is one of the pitch pans. You can see that. That's pretty much finished. It's encapsulated and everything, ready to go. It takes normally about 24 to 36 hours to cure, and it's ready to go. So yeah, we got on this project we have about 19 pitch pockets that we're actually doing. So we're in a real tight area. It's kind of dirty here, so we're working in a real tight area, but we will clean it up nice and neat, like you see over here, before everything's said and done. So yeah, that's how the pitch pan is going. And the pitch pan is a really important part of the roofing system. We pretty much use those, as you can see, to encase and protect the irregular penetrations that are coming through the roof. And though they're pretty simple to build and fix, or build and install, they do play a key role in the overall health of the roofing system. Because again, they help seal out the water in vulnerable areas of the roof. So yeah. So we move on to our matches here. Welding them in. Okay, so yeah. So if you'd like to learn more about pitch pans and how to install pitch pockets please go to our channel, A1 KangaRoof, and you can learn a little bit more. Okay, thank you and have a great day.